Hello everyone, today we're going to learn pagination in Bootstrap. First thing, as always, link it to your Bootstrap. Now I'm going to explain this, and I will just do it down so you can understand it even better. So it will look like this, just so you know. First you are going to start an UL element, a tag. Then you will apply a class. It's going to be pagination. It's going to be the container, okay? Then you are going to create a list item, okay? And inside it you are going to create an anchor. What is going to be? It is simply going to be like a navigation bar, okay? Then you put a class in list item. You have to put a class page item. That makes actually a lot of sense. And you're going to create a class called page link. It's going to be the page link, okay? You're going to link it in there. After that, you only need to put the things as previous, next, and the count. So you just need to copy, go, then paste it one more time, save it. It already looks like the last one, the previous one, but without the text. Previous. It's very well written, of course, because I'm a grammar expert. And then it looks very good, very easy. Cutting it side by side, part by part, it's actually easier to understand. Right, let's go. After that, you may find something like an active all around. It's just a simple class that will make the background of this list item, yes, this page item. The background will be the primary, the blue, and the number inside will become the reverse column, right? Just to have an active, you have to have a disabled as well. It would make very sense if you are in the first one, if you are in the first page, you cannot go back, right? So the previous, it's locked. Pagination size, just after the first pagination, you put pagination even large or even small. Don't forget, you need to put it on the first container, on the unordered list, element tag. Now, alignments, okay? Here is the 3 points, but wait, I'm just going to put the previous word, right? But in here you would put li and an anchor and the rest of it. I'm just going to show the alignment, okay? So, the left alignment, it's the default one, to be in the left, of course. But if you want to center it after the pagination, you should justify content center. It will find the most center horizontally and click, okay? And the last one is justify content and that will be on the right. Now, like breadcrumb, I don't really know the translation, the meaning of the word, but the breadcrumb can be divided by breadcrumb items, just as before, and the aref, the anchor, doesn't have a class. Now, you just put words, okay? And the active one, it's just disabled, because you cannot go where you already are, okay? It's very simple, you just click. It doesn't work because you are. And more thing, just very fast. Let me just remove disable. You can simply reach a anchor. You can add the text column using the text, if and whatever you want. You can put the info, the word, the danger, the warning, whatever you want. Okay? Next, also the colors of it, of the pagination. It also works in the first one. Yes, it also works in the first one. And if we put active in the first one, let me check. No, it's not here. Sorry. In here, inside the class, to become the opposite, but text does not really work properly, you see. So, thank you guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you guys and see you soon.